Okay, so this is a video of Screencast-O-Matic, so how you would kind of go through the first time and set yourself a screencast up. So easiest way to do it is to just Google search for Screencast-O-Matic. First option that comes up is what you want, screencast-o-matic.com. Obviously this is taken in my account. When you first come into the screen, you will be given the option to sign in for the first time or log in, but obviously I'm already signed in. So all you would need to do once you've created an account, it's completely free to sign up. You don't need to do anything, but obviously your free features are limited, but it's only really the editing side of things that are limited. You can still record absolutely anything that you want on your computer for 15 minutes with the free version, so you can make as many videos as you like. Once you go into the back office, and it'll prompt you to download the actual software. So the software, it takes about 30 seconds to download. It does nothing really in terms of taking up space on your computer, and it's really easy to use. It is just a rectangle, and it says anything that comes within this rectangle, it'll be what's on your screen. So where I'm scrolling up and down now, you can't see obviously all the files and folders on my desktop, because I don't have me internet maximised. If I did maximise that, you would see a different picture. We'll pull that back in. To start, really it is that simple. You would hit start recorder, but if I do that, obviously it's going to stop the recording that I'm currently doing. And a rectangle will appear on your screen, and you will just hit record. You can start recording. If you've got a microphone, you can talk over it like I'm doing, but you don't have to if you would prefer not to. You can use it to give demonstrations of absolutely anything. It might be that if you find something on YouTube that you think is really useful, you want to record a certain part of it. Excellent for that. So it's really good for finding really good contextualized video clips to show learners of things that you want them to see. It takes 2 seconds. It's no additional work. You can then upload it. So once you finish recording, you can upload it to your YouTube channel. If you've got a Google Docs account, that would be linked to a YouTube channel, so you would automatically have one, as far as I'm aware, because that's what happened with mine. We have used Screencast-O-Matic to create videos for how-to, so how to set up a Kahoot for the first time, how to use a Padlet, that kind of thing, because it means you can give people a visual demonstration of what you're actually talking about. Really good for giving feedback as well, so looking at pieces of work and actually verbally feeding back on those. I mean, honestly, the uses for it are endless. It's really, really useful in terms of what you're able to do with it. It kind of, the world is your oyster really with screencasting, because it's so easy to use. That's the beauty of it. It's just so simple, but it actually solves a lot of problems in terms of finding the content that you need and being able to trim it down to a size that's manageable. Anyway, I will leave it with you, and you can decide if Screencast-O-Matic is for you and your learners.